You are going to love the 2020 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, trip computer, multifunction display, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.